What's up guys, welcome back to another one of my videos, and in this video we're going to be doing a tour of our fall garden. So right here is our corn. We've gotten a lot of heads, none of it's ready yet, but something interesting is this. Our corn keeps bursting open and I have no clue what happened. It's sweet corn, but it just bursts open like that. It happened to two of them that I see. I don't remember where the other one went. I'll probably find it here in a sec. But yeah, I have no clue what happened to it. It just bursted open. So yeah, our corn is almost ready. Should be ready in a week or two. But yeah, again, here's a closer look up on it. That's what it looks like. I have no clue what happened. So here's our corn. All those little hair-looking things are sprouts. Here's a sunflower. It fell over, but it's still sprouting and everything, so I thought that was pretty cool. Something new is we have some squash sprouting. So I'm pretty sure these are some squash. So yeah, that's a first. These haven't started this year. And then of course our zucchinis. There's one right there, a couple right there. And then our watermelon. So here's some of our watermelon. These ones aren't that big yet, but they are getting there. These ones aren't huge, but the ones on the other side are. I'll show you those in a sec. But again, we got a few more tomatoes here. Our tomatoes are not doing good. Like there's a ton of blight. So like I said earlier, we're gonna take a course how to square foot gardening. So yeah, there's a watermelon. So these watermelons, they get big, like 14 pounds, I'm pretty sure, something like that. So yeah, they get pretty big. And then that is the first half of our garden, or second, whichever one you would like to call it. And starting off with the second part of our garden is our tomatoes. Definitely our weakest spot this year. We have some that's growing, but it's just so much blight. Yeah. It's just because there's been too much rain at a time, and it gets bitten off, and the blight, it makes it have like creases in it like that. It's doing okay. Like if you see all the red tomatoes, that's good, but like the plants are bad, and like a lot of the tomatoes we can't even eat because they're not doing, or they like are split or have eaten in them. But this is really weird. It has so much flowers, but it's only sprouted a few of them. Like compared to the flowers, it sprouted none, and like 2 of them have turned. So I think that is super weird. So if you know what's happening, comment down below. And then over here we have some cucumbers and radish. So our radish has gotten eaten up by bugs, as you can see, but it still should be good as long as it doesn't eat the actual radish plant. It said 25 days until being able to pick, but it hasn't really gone. I've checked them a couple times and it hasn't really been growing any radish, but yeah. So here's some zinnias all along the sides, and then there's some sweet and salty cucumbers, I'm pretty sure. They get like yellowish orange. And then, so here's more zinnias. This one's about to sprout right here. There is also a worm on it right there, which is kind of cool and weird. But none of our carrots are sprouted. Not really a surprise to me because we never really get them to start. So yeah. And then over here, our cucamelons finally started to sprout. And as you guys know, it's a mix of cucumber, watermelon, so they're called cucamelons, so cucumber and watermelon mixed into one. So they're super good. They're kind of like sour at the start, but they're sweet at the end. And then here we have some beans. The beans are doing good. They're getting ready to die here soon. But yeah. And then, of course, our old Brussels sprouts and stuff, which gotten eaten and are just dead. So then over here, we have our pepper plants. There's a few big ones. They're supposed to turn colors, but not really. It's weird because none of them has actually turned. Like we have them, but they just stay green. They haven't turned any color, which I thought is pretty weird. So if you know why that's happening, again, comment down below. And then we have some more peppers right here. So that is all for this video. If you would like, comment down below what you would like us to plant or what you would like to see in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more gardening videos like this.